Deep in the quiet forest, under a blanket of stars, three friends set up their cozy campfire. Kitty unpacks their picnic, Buskers works cheerfully on the tent, and Tim, well, he's not too impressed. They think it's just another peaceful night, but the forest has its own secrets waiting to be discovered. By the fire, Tim sat grumpy, swatting at mosquitoes. Kitty just giggled while Buskers savored his marshmallow, the forest growing quieter around them. But then, from the darkness, two glowing eyes appeared, watching them in silence. The fire crackled, but silence fell. Kitty trembled, Buskers froze, and Tim's eyes fixed on the shadows beyond the trees. From the shadows, the picnic basket began to move. Slowly it slid into the dark, as if the forest itself had come alive. Lantern light guided their steps, each shadow deeper, each sound sharper, as the three pressed on into the heart of the forest. Then, from the shadows ahead, more eyes began to glow, watching silently, like something was waiting for them in the dark. And after all the suspense, the mystery revealed itself. Not monsters, not shadows, but a band of raccoons, happily feasting on marshmallows in the night. But instead of fear, laughter filled the clearing. Kitty's joy, Buskers' wonder, and even Tim's grumpy silence. While in the distance, raccoons turned marshmallows into pure mischief. And then, the raccoons appeared, pausing, turning back and raising their tiny paws, as if guiding them deeper into the forest's secret path. Answering the raccoons' call, the trio stepped forward, their lantern light cutting through the mist as the forest seemed to watch in silence. Guided by the raccoons, the trio stumbled upon a secret, a glowing waterfall shimmering softly under the moonlight. In the heart of the forest, Kitty laughed with joy as playful raccoons shared their marshmallows beneath the glowing waterfall's magic. Beside the glowing waterfall, Buskers' wonder met Tim's quiet smile. A moment of calm, where friendship glowed brighter than the night itself. Beneath the glowing falls, raccoons splashed and tumbled, turning the night into playful magic. For the very first time, Tim's grumpy frown faded, replaced by a gentle smile as the forest's magic lit his heart. Beneath the moonlit sky, the forest grew still. The trio finally at peace as the magical night whispered its last secret.